What is mindset and why is it important? I'm going to read some definitions that I found for you. So 1, a mental inclination, tendency, or habit. 2, a person's usual attitude or mental state is his or her mindset. 3, a person's way of thinking and their opinions. 4, an attitude, disposition, or mood. And 5, the established set of attitudes held by someone. Could what you believe about yourself impact your success or your failure? According to Stanford psychologist Carol Dweck, your beliefs play a pivotal role in what you want and whether you achieve it. Successful people often had what is referred to as a growth mindset, opposed to a fixed mindset. If success is important to you, I really recommend that you spend some time each day working on your mindset. At the end of this video, I'm going to talk about a resource guide, and in that guide, we added some tools to help you with mindset, because mindset truly is an important role in your successful journey as an entrepreneur. This channel is dedicated to helping you build the business and life of your dreams. If you haven't already, please subscribe and ring the bell to get notified each week when we post new videos. Hi, I'm Kirsten Graham with Six Figure Business Coaching, and I'm going to talk about 3 things that you should consider in regards to your mindset. The first one is know your why and find ways to focus on it with gratitude and appreciation. So my business partner, Jeannie, started her business in 2007 when she had a toddler and a newborn. Her why was very strong. She wanted to stay home with her children. She wanted to see them grow up, take their first steps, say their first words. She wanted to be that mom that got to go on all of the field trips. So her why for building a successful business was driven by her children. That's a very strong why. And each day that she got to spend time with her kids, she really valued that and appreciated it. And that made it easier for her to build her business. Because sometimes you're going to have difficult clients, or you have projects that you don't enjoy working on, or you're going to lose a bid to someone else. So you have to have a really strong why to overcome the obstacles. So focusing on your why and really feeling it and being grateful for it is a huge part of a positive mindset. Another example is someone who wants to leave corporate America so that they can spend time with their aging parents. When people get older, they have more doctor's appointments, and it's nice as a daughter or a son to be able to be there with your parents and take them to those appointments and spend quality time with them. One of our clients, that was her why. She wanted to leave her corporate job, relocate to where her parents were living, and to be able to be active in their lives and spend time with them. So her why was a very strong why. For other people, it's something like travel. They want to see the world. So they want to build a business that allows them to have the money and the time freedom to go and do that. Your why has to be in line with what your true goals and values are. Because when you are very focused on why you're doing your business and you're grateful for the fact that your business allows you to do these things, spend time with these people, it's going to be a lot easier for you to focus on a positive mental attitude. I'd love to hear from you guys. In the comments below, what is your why? Why did you start your business, or why are you considering starting a business? We'd love to hear what you're thinking. I feel like another powerful tool for a strong mindset is thinking about others. I think you've heard that saying where if you really help other people get what they want in life, you'll always get what you want in life. So having a healthy attitude towards helping others is a great way to work on your mindset. When you spend time really focused on delivering value and helping your clients and seeing their successes, these are things that can really make a big impact on your mindset. I love the saying, givers gain. The more you give, the more you gain. If you can do that with a really generous heart and with a focus on the fact that you're helping people because you truly want to help them, your business will thrive and grow. But you'll be amazed what happens to your mindset when you take your mind off of yourself and your problems or your challenges, and you truly focus on others and helping them and being an asset to them and providing value to them. You will see a huge shift in your mindset simply because we feel good when we help other people. Now, you're also going to feel good when you start seeing business come your way. It's inevitable when you focus on helping other people, your business is going to grow. Garbage in, garbage out. Used to express the idea in computing or other spheres, incorrect or poor quality input will always produce faulty output. Curate what you allow into your mind. It's really important that you curate what you allow into your mind. I absolutely love that saying, garbage in, garbage out. We talk to all of our clients about things that they can do as far as positive input, putting wonderful things into your mind. It's things like books on Audible, podcasts you can listen to, a vision board, affirmations, daily meditations. These are all things that you can do to make sure you're putting positive things into your mind. Limiting the amount of news that you watch is another thing that you can do. I find that when I watch a lot of news, it causes some anxiety and stress. So I tend to read books and listen to books on Audible and podcasts, because when I'm hearing about other people and their successes, and I'm learning what new technologies out there, all of these things motivate me and make my mind feel very positive and optimistic about the future. So I would highly encourage you to every day have a practice around putting positive things into your mind. For me, I walk my dog every morning, and I do that while listening to a book on Audible. It's just become a routine. It makes me feel really good. It's just part of my day. I often listen to podcasts throughout the day when I'm having lunch or taking a quick break. And I'm a huge reader. I love to read at night before bed. Something else that can really help is listening to music. You know, if taking a 10-minute break and cutting the tunes up and dancing around your office makes you feel good, do it. Again, running a business can be fun, but it can also be challenging and stressful. It's up to you to find ways to keep your mind focused and positive. So think about every day, what am I putting into my mind that's going to make me feel good? What am I putting in my mind that's going to help me be grateful? What am I putting in my mind to learn new things? Input of good quality things will always produce great quality output. So in the beginning of this video, I told you we'd have a resource guide for you. You can find that in the description below. And like I said, it has some fantastic tools for working on your mindset, as well as a lot of other wonderful tools to help you start and grow your business. Again, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do, and ring the bell to get notified each week when we post new videos. And if you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It helps YouTube know that we're doing a good job. It helps us know that we're doing a good job. And so we'll create more content like this. So until I see you again, dream big.